Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of print on demand, or POD for short. If you've ever wondered how to turn your creative ideas into a profitable online business without worrying about inventory or shipping, stick around, because this video is for you. So what exactly is print on demand? Well, it's a business model where you create custom designs and sell them on products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more. The best part? You don't need to buy or store any products up front. When someone orders from your online store, the product is printed and shipped directly to them by a third-party supplier. 1. Low startup costs. You don't need a huge investment to start. You can begin with as little as a design tool and an online store. 2. No inventory. Since products are only made when ordered, there's no risk of unsold inventory. 3. Scalability. You can create and upload as many designs as you want. The more products you offer, the more chances you have to make a sale. Many entrepreneurs are earning anywhere from a side income to a full-time living just by selling their designs through these platforms. So the question now, is it easy to start? Here's a quick rundown. 1. Choose your niche. Think about what kind of designs you want to create, whether it's funny quotes, minimalist art, or pet-themed graphics. 2. Create your designs. Use graphic design tools like Canva, Photoshop, or Illustrator. If you do not have graphic design experience, you can use AI tools such as Adobe Firefly, Leonardo, AI, or Ideogram. 3. Set up your store. Sign up on a pod platform, upload your designs, and choose the products you want to sell. 4. Promote your products. Share your store on social media, run ads, or even collaborate with influencers to get the word out. And there you have it. A quick intro to print on demand, why it's profitable, and how easy it is to start. Whether you're looking to turn your hobby into a side hustle or build a full-fledged online business, POD is a fantastic option. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.